TikTok has officially changed ownership to an American-based company for a majority share. Anybody who is using TikTok in the US will now be affected by the US company, and things have changed. The algorithm is no longer the same as it used to be, unfortunately. And so now we have to start shifting our strategies on how we're going to be putting content on TikTok. And one of those main things that we are shifting away from now is boosting posts that have been put on your profile priorly. So that an older post, maybe you had a successful post that has done some pretty good numbers. Maybe it has some information you really want to get out there, and you want to boost and pay TikTok to get more likes or more views on that specific post. You're hoping to advertise and bring in some more business. Now that old system that would work pretty well in the past under the old ownership, it no longer works at all. So if you go and boost, you spend $100, $200 boosting an older post, you will get almost zero return on that. You'll get almost nothing. Whereas in the past, you would get quite a few eyeballs on that. So now the new algorithm only rewards fresh new content if you're going to boost it. So this is just a heads up. To be careful, don't boost old posts that have been on your profile for a while. You're gonna have to make new content. If you have a specific concept that you wanna promote around a specific thing that you wanna execute with a customer, you need to make new content around that specific concept. So you can basically just redo the same video again. I know that's kind of annoying, but I highly recommend you do that. Don't just boost an old post. It will get you zero traction now. And there's lots of other changes that are happening with the algorithm. The post exposure with the way that new people are discovering your content has gone down significantly. Now there's hardly any new exposure or push in the algorithm. It's so much more dramatically reduced, very, very similar to how an Instagram or Facebook is nowadays, and it's starting to reduce more and more and more. And that's just part of the sad reality of it changing hands, and it's becoming more like the American-based companies like Instagram and Facebook and how, or X.com, and how you get discovered on those platforms. So what we have to do is basically just try to create more content, try to create more interesting content, and be more consistent with the way that we're posting. But this is a heads up that you're gonna have to make some adjustments. It's how it always is in social media. There's always some change in the landscape, and we have to make adjustments as a business owner, as a content marketer. So my name is Joe Phil with SkyPoint Studios. I'm a web developer. I create lots and lots of content, getting close now to almost 600 videos I've made all about how to build your business. If you enjoy this type of content and these little nuggets about different things that are going on in the industry, definitely check out some of my other videos. I would love to put this out here right now as I kind of wrap up this video. Tell me what you would like to make content about. So if you're having a challenge in your business, tell me down below what you would like to make a video about. I will, if it's a topic I like, I'll go ahead and share my thoughts on it, and I'll make a video just for you. So if you're watching this, comment down below and I'll make a video for you next. Joe Phil with SkyPoint Studios. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one.